A few years ago, we were afraid that machines would become powerful. Today, something stranger is happening. Machines are becoming human, and humans are becoming tools. Think about it. We teach AI to write like us. We teach AI to speak with empathy. We teach AI to sound warm, patient, creative, even humorous. We say things like, "This AI understands me. This AI feels natural. This AI thinks." At the same time, something subtle is happening to us. We are being measured. Measured against machines. Measured by speed. Measured by output. Measured by efficiency. Measured by token per second productivity. And the comparison is not flattering. Because machines do not get tired. Machines do not complain. Machines do not sleep. Machines do not ask for vacation. Machines do not feel anxiety, but humans do. And here is the paradox. We built AI to help us. But instead of feeling lighter, many people feel heavier. Instead of being liberated, many feel pressured. Why? Because once AI becomes the benchmark, human beings are no longer evaluated as humans. They are evaluated as systems. If AI can draft a report in 30 seconds, why did you take 3 hours? If AI can answer customer questions instantly, why do you need breaks? If AI can analyze 10,000 records overnight, why do you need a team? This is the moment when humans become toolized, not physically replaced overnight, but psychologically redefined. You are no longer a person with rhythm, emotion, context, limitations. You are an efficiency unit. And when capital evaluates productivity, the baseline is no longer another human. The baseline is AI. And that changes everything. Because historically, work was human versus human. Now it is human versus machine. And machines are optimized. This creates a silent tension in society. Even people who keep their jobs feel something shifting. They work alongside AI systems. They are told to use AI to improve productivity. They are encouraged to augment themselves. But augmentation slowly becomes expectation. And expectation becomes pressure. You must work faster. You must think clearer. You must respond quicker. You must generate more. Because AI can. So the promise was, AI will free us. The reality feels like AI raises the bar. Now let's look at the other side of the mirror. While humans are being evaluated like tools, machines are being treated like humans. We anthropomorphize them. We give them names. We give them personalities. We debate whether they understand. We ask whether they feel. We train them on human conversation. We optimize their empathy signals. We refine their tone. We want them to be relatable. And in doing so, we blur a line. Humans become mechanical. Machines become emotional. But here is the crucial question. Is AI really becoming human? Or are we redefining humanity to match AI? When a chatbot responds politely, we call it empathy. When it mirrors our tone, we call it understanding. But is that humanization, or is it pattern prediction? And more importantly, if empathy becomes something that can be simulated, what does that mean for real empathy? If creativity becomes something that can be generated, what does that mean for human imagination? If reasoning becomes something that can be automated, what does that mean for judgment? This is not just a technical shift, it is a civilizational shift. For centuries, machines replaced muscle. Now machines are replacing cognition. But cognition was the last territory we believed was uniquely human. And once that territory becomes shared, identity trembles. Because work is not only about income. Work is about dignity. Work is about contribution. Work is about meaning. When people say AI is taking jobs, the deeper fear is not unemployment. The deeper fear is irrelevance. And irrelevance hurts more than exhaustion. This is why even high-skilled workers feel uneasy. Engineers, designers, writers, researchers, even knowledge workers. They are not only competing with each other, they are competing with a system trained on the entire internet. So we face a strange inversion. We try to humanize machines. And we standardize humans. Machines get personality upgrades. Humans get KPI dashboards. Machines get emotional training data. Humans get performance tracking. Machines are forgiven for hallucinations. Humans are punished for mistakes. And this asymmetry reveals something profound. Technology does not just change capability, it changes power structure. When productivity becomes the supreme metric, anything that reduces measurable output becomes weakness. Rest becomes inefficiency. Reflection becomes delay. Care becomes overhead. But here is the uncomfortable truth. The qualities that make us human are precisely the ones that are inefficient. Slowness, ambiguity, emotion, contradiction, moral hesitation. AI systems are optimized for clarity and speed. Humans are wired for meaning and complexity. If society begins to reward only optimization, human depth becomes undervalued. And that is the real danger. Not that AI becomes too intelligent, but that we begin to treat ourselves as if we are not allowed to be human. Now, this is not an anti-AI argument. AI is powerful. AI can amplify creativity. AI can remove drudgery. AI can enable discovery. But the direction depends on governance, incentives, and culture. If AI is used to reduce human suffering, we elevate humanity. If AI is used to maximize output at any cost, we compress humanity. The question is not, will AI replace us? The deeper question is, will we redefine ourselves to compete with machines? Or will we redefine work to preserve what makes us human? Perhaps the future is not about resisting AI. Perhaps it is about resisting the reduction of humans to tools. Because once humans become tools, they become replaceable. But when humans remain human, they remain irreplaceable. Machines can simulate conversation, they can simulate reasoning, they can simulate empathy, but they do not experience mortality. They do not feel love. They do not carry moral responsibility. They do not suffer. And suffering, paradoxically, is part of what gives meaning. So maybe the future is not about making machines more human. Maybe it is about protecting humans from becoming machines. And maybe the ultimate measure of a society in the AI era is not how powerful its models are, but how deeply it respects its people. Because if machines become humanized while humans become toolized, we may win the technology race but lose something far more fragile: ourselves.